For number 12, I have a picture of parallel lines cut by a transversal. The first thing we need to do is name the angle relationship. So if I look at the 6x plus 5 and the 8x minus 37, I notice they're located inside of the parallel lines and they're on opposite sides of the transversal. One's above and one's below. So these would be identified as alternate interior. Since I have parallel lines, I can fill in my picture with the color pattern. All of the reds will be the acute angles, the ones less than 90, and the yellows will be the obtuse angles, the ones larger than 90. So if I look at 6x plus 5, this would be the obtuse angle. So I'm going to color that in yellow, and the one directly across from it should be the same color because verticals are always congruent to each other. And then the other pair would be my reds. Once I color in this pattern in the first group of 4, it should be identical to the next group of 4. So this would be the location of my red angles, and then this would be the location of my yellows, my obtuse angles. Now if I look at my picture, I notice that the 6x plus 5 lands on yellow, and the 8x minus 37 also lands on yellow. So I know that they are congruent. In other words, their measurements should be identical. Therefore, my equation would be 6x plus 5 is equal to 8x minus 37. So in order to solve this, I'm going to move the x's to the right by subtracting 6x from both sides. So I'm left with 5 is equal to 2x minus 37. Next, I'm going to move the constants to the left, so add 37 to both sides. So I have 42 is equal to 2x. And lastly, if I divide by 2, I get x is 21.